This is a video on the addition algorithm. A word before I start. If you've watched a few of my videos, you already know that my handwriting is not beautiful and perfect. But working in maths should be organized. So I would never expect you to have perfect handwriting. I don't have it myself. But if you're going to do maths, get a little bit organized with the way you write things down. So for instance, in the numbers that I have here, I am carefully lining up so that my place values are all sitting underneath each other. Do not set up work, for instance, with the 247, and the 353 here. Do not set that up so that you can't see nice and evenly straight down the columns. The worse you write this, the harder it gets to deal with. Just take a little bit of time to set out well. You don't have to have neat handwriting to have good setting out. So let's have a look at the addition algorithm. Well, I've got 41 plus 23, and I'm simply starting on the smallest units and working my way across. So a unit of 1 and a unit of 3 added together is a unit of 4. Write it down underneath. Nothing else to do here. Move to the next column. A 4 and a 2 is a 6, and I'm done. The next step of complication is when it changes to a double-digit number in your addition. So a 2 plus a 9 is an 11. I write down the unit 1 from the 11, and the tens 1 has to shift into the tens column. So now I've got a 1, a 6, and a 4. That's also 11. I end up with 111. Coming over to the next question here, 7 plus 3 is 10, so I write the 0 in the units column. I put that 1 in its appropriate column. I've now got 1 and 4 and 5. That's 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 is 10. The 0 goes in here again. And now I've got a 1 moving over to the hundreds column, because remember, I was really adding up 10 and 40 and 50. So 10 plus 40 plus 50 is 100, and so that 1 is now in the hundreds column. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. Now the benefit of this method is that I don't actually have to think of things in their place values. As I go, I can just work down each column and move the double-digit number across to the next column each time. It's all about practice, and it helps a lot if you're keeping it nice and structured. Like I said, handwriting not that important, but structure is.